Welcome to another RangieAdventures repair of brake pads and replacement. My brake sensor has come on, so that indicates to me that I have to change my brake pads. Show you how I replace my brake pads on the Rangie, and hopefully this will help you in doing your own home maintenance service. So on the table here we've got all the necessary things. I've got my torque wrench, another wrench there to get the tyres off. You need a T30 to get the screw out of the back of the brake pad, which holds the brake pads on. Okay, obviously you got your lock nut for the wheels. You've got your brake sensor and the new brake pads. Also on this video I'm going to replace my I fixed up all my skid pan, replaced with so you can see how it's broken here. See the broken part here. So I put 5mm flexi there and 5mm on this side, and it's really stiffened everything up. And now I'm going to put it back underneath. Okay, now we're underneath the car here. You've got the tyre off and all that thing. This is your brake sensor here. This one here, following through here, up here. This one here, into the control box here. Okay, so first thing I do is remove the sensor first, make sure it all comes out, and then I'll remove the brake pads. This is your disc caliper. Okay, through here is where you put your T38. You can't really see. Just in here, take the cap off. There's one there, and that just pulls away from there. And that easy makes it. And then you got the spring down here to remove, and that releases the pressure. But before you push when you put brake pads in, before you push all the calipers back out, the pistons, get in the engine bay, open up your brake fluid, and just remove about 5mm out of it, and that will just, when you compress it, the spring pistons out, it will allow for expansion back in that reservoir. As you can see, I've now put the new one in. Here's the new one. Right, it's gone through here. It's a straightforward plug. You can see, I don't know if you can see inside, there's where it is, and that's all you have to worry about. Just push it in, goes in the box, and then pull everything out. I feed everything through, ready to go. That goes in here, that goes on there like that. Right, ready to go into the caliper. Okay, so everything's ready to go, and all now to do is remove the caliper. Remove my caliper, get the brake pads out, pull the pin out, spring, and then we're right. Alright, we're back here on the driver's side, and the best way to push the pistons back is use a G-clamp. Use the old brake pad, it just doesn't click into here, and just push it back in. That's it, that's all you need to do, and then it'll be right to go from there on. This side is much quicker, so it just happens to be there's no sensor here on the side, so it makes it more efficient, and well, not efficient, it makes it more quick time overall. Thank you.